Hello, today we are going to talk about how to use our APIs to get information about the different food ingredients that you will find in any food package. So one of the first things you have to do is visit this page apidevelopers.pticostarica.com. Okay, once you do that, you basically go sign in. Uh, It will request you to sign in with your social media account. In this case, we are only supporting Facebook at the moment. I am already authenticated to my Facebook account, so it will just verify it and allow me to sign in. Now I'll go to products, or I can go to APIs. I am already subscribed to the betas. So if I weren't subscribed to this, it will show a message here, text box, and a button to subscribe. You will subscribe, then it will redirect you to your profile, where you will have some new subscriptions with the state as submitted. Then we will verify your request. Uh, we will probably contact you to have some idea how you are going to use the our APIs, and based on that we will approve your request. Okay, once your request to the subscription is approved by us, you can go to APIs. You will find these food ingredients APIs. Okay, and you will find this endpoint get ingredient information. Okay, you can go and hit try it. You select your key. You will, when you subscribe, you get two keys. You can use any of those. Our current version is 1.0. Let's say that we want to get information about sugar. So we hit send. And then you will get this response. You will get some information needs. You will get the component ID, all the synonyms, basically all the different names that the specified component has. And you will get some links for the toxicity and food additives and the disease information in Popkin Database. So if you go uh, to that link for the one for the associated disorders and diseases, you will see that sugar actually have all these associated diseases. It will show you some document references, right, where all of that is there, so you can actually verify the information if they are just studies, if they are confirmed diseases, things like that. So let's say, for example, one monosodium glutamate. I don't know how to pronounce it. English is not my main language. I'm sorry. Monosodium glutamate. If the actual item is not found, you will get some error. You will have some detail. In detail, you will have the actual reason why the request failed. You will have the detail. You're able to find ingredients, semicolon, and the actual name. In this case, it didn't find it because I didn't type the O in the name. I misspelled it. Okay, now I think it's okay. I hit send, and now we get an okay response. Okay, we get all the information, all of the different synonyms or alternative names for that were found for that component. So this is monosodium glutamate, and if we go to the associated disorders and diseases link, you will find that this compound, monosodium glutamate, however it's pronounced, uh, has all of these associated information along with the type of evidence for that. So anorexia has some therapeutic evidence, The atrophy has some market mechanism evidence, things like that. So you can further verify by going to the actual definition of the disease and the actual evidence. So let's say, for example, brain injuries, says marker mechanism. You go to the evidence, and you will have all of this information, the abstract, the aim, the methods, the results, some figures, some information there. So you can check it, right? uh, so that's basically how you can go and use our information or API to get that information. uh, you can also go and see the food additives and ingredients. Basically, it'll show you some information on how those compounds are actually are being used for in your foods. So it says that, for example, this compound is used for as a stabilizer or thickener. uh, when we went to sugar, it will show you actually this link that it is used as a nutritive sweetener, and all of the different document numbers in there. So yeah, uh, please subscribe to the system. Let us know how you are going to use these APIs, and let us know any other information that you may want as a response for these APIs. Just to let you know, in one of the future versions, we are going to allow you to take pictures or to send pictures from any ingredient to detect all of from any food to detect all of the ingredients that are in the label and give you some summarized information based on the actual picture that you sent. We already made some progress on it. We are just tweaking all of the code for that, and then we will publish it for your usage. Thank you very much and have a good day.